Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a exquisite 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom home. It is located in the sought after Kingston 6 area of Sandhurst, Crescent. It sits on 0.34 acres of land. It offers luxurious amenities and convenient access to hospitals, schools, shopping and business districts. Every bedroom, including the upstairs family room, the butler's pantry, and kitchen area, are fully air conditioned for your comfort. The home consists of front and back patios, spacious laundry room, elegant foyer, powder bathroom, and hallway closet, open living and formal dining areas, butler's pantry with breakfast nook, modern kitchen, in-law suite with sitting area, tea station, small fridge, and ensuite wheelchair-friendly bathroom. There is a unfurnished bonus room with adjacent full bathroom and linen closet. Family room with private balcony. Master bedroom with tea station, refrigerator, his and hers closets, private balcony, and ensuite bathroom with shower and jacuzzi tub. Bedroom number 2 comes with ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. Bedroom number 3 and number 4 comes with walk-in closets and adjoining jack and jill bathroom. There is also water tanks and an amazing array of fruit trees, while the property is fully solar powered with secure electronic gates. This home combines luxury, functionality, and sustainability, making it a perfect sanctuary. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The rental price for this house is US $5,750 or Jamaican $884,900 per month. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.